welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Dee Dee. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. Let me start first. You will notice I'm wearing the same shirt and the same makeup. I'm filming several videos to have for backups since I'm in the filming mood. It doesn't happen all the time, and I just want to take advantage of that. So you'll see me in the same makeup, same shirt and all of that. So just keep that in mind. But I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys my March 2021 Boxycharm base box. I do still get the base box. I no longer get the premium. I did cancel that one. I don't know that I'm going to keep it throughout the whole year, but for now I'm going to keep it. I do want to share with you guys my base box, and then I did pick up some add-ons beginning of the month that came with this. Share that with you guys as well. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you're familiar, the base is a red box. The premium is a blue. We're just going to go in the order that everything is on the card. I did get one this month. It says Boxycharm Lucky right there. I have this variation. I would normally tell you what it is, but unfortunately it's so long. Hopefully you guys can see it. That is my variation. The first item that I did receive is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, and it looks like that. It says this palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. Retails for $38. I did see on the pop-up today that they are selling it for $9. So if I didn't get it in the box and I wanted to purchase it, it would be $9 that I would pay. There's some pretty shades. That is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch them because I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I kind of want to because I don't have any eyeshadow palettes that I remember from Lime Crime, so I kind of want to try it, but until I make that determination, I'm not going to swatch it, but it is a very pretty palette. That is the first thing that I received this month. Always like getting palettes. Of course, I don't need any more, but palettes are always nice to get. Okay, the next item that I see on here is the Glow Recipe Banana Soulful Moisture Cream Calming and Hydrating. I think this is the item that I picked. I love Glow Recipe skincare so much, and that's why I picked this. But it says here, a smoothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin, blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy skin. I am going to go ahead and open it just because I want to look at it. I currently have too many moisturizers open, but I'm super excited to have this. It does retail for $39. I did see on, I think on the pop-up, I'll double check all the bottles. Super cute. Looks like that. And again, it is a 1.7 fluid ounce. Let's see if it has a lid on it. Oh, it smells nice. It's banana-y, but not too much. It's really nice. I cannot wait to use this. I think they were selling it on the pop-up for $12, maybe $9. I will double check and let you guys know that, but I'm super happy to have that. Like I said, I think that's the item I picked. The next item is from Maven Beauty. This is the Maven Rose Water Setting Mist Makeup Setting Spray. It comes in a 3.38 one. And my box came damaged. Like literally, look at this is falling off. That is how my top looks, which is not a big deal as long as the product is fine. It's not that big of a deal. The bottle looks like this. It's a bright curly orange. And it says, set your intentions and your makeup with this Aurora Lifting Antioxidant Packed Rose Water Setting Spray. mist all over your finished look and lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Oh, it smells really nice. Smells like roses, and I love the scent of roses. I was going to try this, but I do have so many right now open, so I'm not going to open that quite yet, but I'm really excited to have those first 3 products. That does retail for $22. The next item that I did receive is the KAB lip oil, K-A-B lip oil right there. It's in blue raspberry, and let's see what it says. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky, instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long and retails for $20. That is what it looks like. It looks really nice and really pretty. Honestly, when you take the dropper out, you could see that it's not even filled with product. See all that open? So if it were to sit, it probably is not that much. Smells really nice. I do have a lot of lip oils I'm currently using at the moment. Don't know that I'm going to keep this one, but I'll see. But it smells nice. So that retails for $20. Kind of pricey for a lip oil, but you know, if it does the job, then maybe it's worth it. Okay, the last item I received is the Lavish Wet Brush Cleaning System. A convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container and retails for $15. That is what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of the Beauty Blender Solid Brush Cleaner. I guess this is the sponge it's talking about. Actually, oh, the sponge is on the top, like for cleaning, I guess. Right there. Does it come off? Yeah. So there's a sponge there to clean your brushes, or one of those silicone, and then that is a soap. I'm not going to open that quite yet. So that does retail for $15. I think that's pretty pricey for this, but nice to have in the box. So overall, I will put the total this part of the video, what the total was for my box. And I always forget to tell you guys, but this box does retail for $25 a month. With tax, it's about $27 and some change. I definitely feel like you get your money's worth for sure. If this was the only thing that I received and I wanted, I still would have been happy because that retails for $39. That's more than I paid for the box. So overall, I think that I got a great box. I'm really happy with it. I think I'm going to keep everything that I got. Again, I don't know about the palette just because I have so many palettes in my collection, but I'm currently doing a decluttering of all my makeups and reorganizing and all of that. So yeah, I may keep it, but that was a great box in my opinion. Now on to the add-ons. It's mostly skincare. I got a few makeup related items, but it's mostly skincare. Okay, so let me start with the first thing. I picked up another one of these Sutra Beauty mini ceramic curling irons with the cool tip in the yellow. And I have one of these. I got one in my box, and I think on the pop-up I paid $13 maybe for this. But I bought this for someone for a gift that I think would enjoy it. And they have thin hair and need some kind of like volume to their hair, just straight hair. So I think they would enjoy it. So I picked up that for a gift for someone else. I thought for $13 you cannot beat it. And I have tried it and I do really, really enjoy it. And so I wanted to pick that up. Okay, the next item is the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer, Smooth and Pore Covering, Top Secret for Perfect Makeup. This used to be like a cult favorite on YouTube. I remember when I first started watching YouTube, I saw a lot of people use this product. I don't hear so many people talking about it anymore. There's a few, but I wanted to give it a try. I've always wanted to try it. It is in the full size. That up, I think I paid $6 for that, I believe. I will double check the prices and put them either here on the screen or down below for you. The next item I got was the FARSÁLI Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum This is Hydrate and Replenish Bimolecular Hyaluronic Complex Pro Vitamin B5. It is a 1 fluid ounce. It says Quench is a serum that helps to replenish moisture in the skin by using a unique complex of high and low molecular, I cannot talk, weight hyaluronic acid. The staggering molecular, I know I'm saying it wrong, guys, I'm sorry. Weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help improve multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with hydrating provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved as well as feeling and looking softer than before. That just sounded great to me. I know that is a mouthful. This is what it looks like. I'm super excited to give this a try. It does have a clear consistency, so hopefully it's super hydrating. I think I paid $6 for that one as well. One more primer I got was the Radiant Mousse Primer from KAJA. It looks like that. It says here, let's see, airy cloud texture, soft radiant pigments, natural universal peach tone, contains hyaluronic acid to hydrate skin, marshmallow root extract to help nourish the skin. So that sounds really nice. It's in 01 Peach Glow. This was $6 as well. And it comes like in a container like that, like a little dry shampoo or something. I'm not going to open that yet because I have a lot of primers I'm currently using, but I thought that was a great product to give a try. And then 2 more skincare items, and then that will be it. Okay, so I picked up this TULA Skincare So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I have tried a lot of TULA products. I love them. I think they are great products, so if I could find them at a good discounted price, I will pick them up. This says that it has probiotics to help balance and improve skin smoothness. Pumpkin helps improve skin softness. Sugar provides gentle physical exfoliation, and the fruit enzymes chemically exfoliate to help dissolve dirt and unclog pores. That sounds very good, I think. And again, I have some other scrubs open at the moment, so I'm not going to actually open this one as of yet, but I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use that, and definitely will let you guys know what I think about it, if I think it's something you guys should pick up. I didn't see it on the Boxy pop-up, but I believe I paid $6 for that as well. I will double check, like I said, my receipt that was sent to me and let you all know. Okay, last item is a Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. This says it's the #1 acne treatment. It's the foaming cleanser, and it does say acne treatment on here. I have struggled with some hormonal acne, and so I thought I would get a cleanser that can kind of help with that to use maybe once or twice a week. It says this medicated foaming acne cleanser with a unique whip texture is formulated with 3% sulfur to help clear and prevent blemishes and draw out impurities to unclog congested pores. Honey and rice bran extracts help calm and soothe acne-prone skin, while natural oat extract reduces, absorbs, and balances sebum. With this continued use, this gentle yet effective daily cleanser leaves skin visibly clear and minimizes the appearance of pores without over drying. So that sounds really great. And that is what that looks like. This stuff is very pricey, so the fact that I found it on there, I was really happy about that. It does have a seal, so that's great. But yeah, that is everything I picked up in that that pop-up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Definitely let me know if you picked up any of these items in the Boxycharm pop-up, or if you and I were Boxycharm base box twins for March. Let me know that down below. Let me know if you got any of these products, if you have tried them, what you think about them, and all of that. I always love your guys' feedback and like to hear from you guys as well, what you're enjoying and what you get. If you do have a Boxycharm unboxing video or add-on video, definitely let me know that down in the comments as well, so I could come over and check out your video. I would really enjoy that. So if you guys did enjoy this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and your bell notifications if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and spending time with me today, and I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.